The truck has been needing new tires ever since I got it in 2019. Their tread is low, they're cracked, they're old, but most apparent is that 3 out of 4 of these have slow leaks. I tried to get a shop to fix them once actually, but they wouldn't touch them because the tires are so old, they were afraid they would fall apart. I've long wondered how hard it would be to change your own tires, but I've always been afraid of it because it looks pretty hard to wrench a piece of rubber over a rim like that. But 65 Ford says it's easy with the right tools. So I bought some tires in February of 2022. It's now May 2023, and lucky me, all that procrastinating means I have a new welder to try. Art Captain sent me this 200 amp multi-process unit. It can do stick, MIG, and lift TIG, and it has a little more power, which should help with the thicker material I'll need to weld to make those tools. So let's give it a try. First, I watched 65 Ford's video a few hundred times and made some notes. Then I grabbed some materials and got to work. Someone on the internet called out that bubble gauges are nicer for setting pressure for welding, so I picked one up to go with this new welder. I don't know how that's supposed to work. Guess I could cut a new barb for it. It's like another gumption trap there. Isn't that the same? Sure looks like that should fit. Oh, there we go. Bought some new welding wire. This is .035. It's Penguin brand. The spindle got busted a little bit in shipping. I think it'll be okay. We're gonna try it. .035 inch is equal to 1 millimeter per my Joffrey Croker handy fractions chart. And I'm using argon CO2 for gas, so I want V-groove roller, 1 millimeter size, which appears to be installed. Yeah, this has a V. Some of the other ones, like here's a 1.0 K, so that must be knurled, whereas this one's a V. Turn it on. We're on MIG mode. I'll leave the gas off. So that's rolling. I wonder if I put this on in the wrong direction, because I don't see how that's gonna feed right. Yeah, let's do it under. Oh, duh. Well, that'll be interesting. They're already kind of spiraling out on me. Nothing to see here. I don't want to have to worry about this stuffed birds nesting on me, so we're just going to cut this off and have some good crafting wire. Well, that's kind of nice. There's a little light. Oh, I guess it just speeds up. Okay. So we're in MIG mode. We want to be 18.4 volts and 6.7 for the wire feed speed. So we should be ready to rock. This is my second time using a plasma cutter, so have mercy on me. Got most of what I needed to done. I think I clogged up the tip, but I can finish the rest of it with an angle grinder. For as rough as that was looking, I think that turned out okay. So I got all the paint off the stick. I cleaned it all with acetone, including the cut piece. Still no ground. I clamped the clamp to the table, tried welding there. Still nothing worked. I tried another nozzle. That didn't work either. Then I took another look at the manual and I saw that to set up the MIG, you can't have this cord dangling out here. I just assumed that this was for the spool gun or something and then it just sat out in space, but nope. It needs to get plugged in. There we go. I'm happy with that. This 3/4 inch black pipe that I cut off fits really close, a little wiggly. I might be able to cut it, expand it, re-weld it. I'm gonna give it a try. Fits in there good side to side. I think we can leave it. Okay, I'm gonna go a little more. You talk me into it. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh crap, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Perfect. A little melty. Oops. I was really expecting that to be hard. I already found a use for the welding wire. And with that, 65 Ford's tire removal and installation stick is done. Now I gotta move on to my Harbor Freight tire changer. Specifically, I gotta figure out how to mount this thing. You're supposed to bolt these down to concrete, but I don't have a great spot for that yet. And I saw some people say you could hook them up to a hitch on the back of a vehicle, but there wasn't super clear instructions, so I'm kind of winging this part. You need some combination of U-bolt that will wrap around here and then plug into this pinto hook mount. That's my plan anyway. Something like that, worth a try. For establishing the bead and filling the tire up after changing it, 65 Ford recommended this locking chuck, but it wasn't clear to me how do you hook this thing up to air. I think it's as simple as this. So now I can lock it on the tire and then plug my air hose into the end of it, and when it's full, just quick unhook it, I guess. I'm not gonna be driving anywhere on this. I just need the spare back on so that I can set it back down on the wheels while I work on the tire changer. Now we need some distance from the back of the hitch. And we need our tire changer mount. Now we need to get the air out of the tire, and you can do that by removing this valve core. I thought I had a valve core removal tool. I can't find it anywhere. I'm gonna try these pliers. Update, I was sick of standing there with the pliers, so I threw that locking valve thing on there to let the air out, and that worked pretty good. All right, time to get this tire off. I think I want to come straight down on the tire, so I'm gonna move it up to the higher position. Update, I totally forgot about the base. That should help keep the bottom of the tire changer from moving separately from the tire. Yeah! That helped a lot. I don't have a chunk of rubber to throw down to protect the rim from this metal like 65 Ford had. So I'm just gonna use cardboard for now, see if it works. This will be our sacrificial rim, I guess. There we go. That wasn't bad once I installed the tool right. Now we get to try the tool that we made. Well, I'm all about the truth, folks, and the truth is I just broke the rim. I was trying to use just the regular tools because it looked like I welded the tire remover at the wrong angle. Part of the aluminum rim busted off. So, we're paused for now.